Labi Luba B. Darhaqiqat. Next Domino. Why does the regent tremble when a country falls? How is the domino theory becoming a drastic reality today? Today's story begins with a book a military analyst pointed out the dangerous chain on the world map. The name of the book is The Next Domino by General Sir Walter Walker, first published in 1980. Its foreword was written by renowned politician Julian Amiri. Background: this term was first used by US President Eisenhower in the 1950s. He said, if one country falls under the grip of communism, rest of the countries will also fall one after the other, like the domino in the queue. This theory became the basic principle of the Cold War. In general, Sir Walter Walker, in his book, The Next Domino, I expose the same fact. Domino theory is a simple but dangerous idea. If a country comes under the influence of a change force, its influence continues to spread to the neighbors like the domino seals falling on each other. Walter Walker explains that this is not just an ideology but a practical threat to the West, especially when powers, interests, and resources are clashing. Which domino? The author counted the factors that increase global instability: military intervention, redistribution of power, external supports, and internal political weaknesses. The result? A small mischief, rebellion, or war can overturn the balance of the entire region. We have seen its influence in the past in Vietnam, Afghanistan, Russia, Ukraine, and the Middle East. Now the question is, where will the next target be? The threat in South Asia. The debate is particularly heated in South Asia. The new political dynamics in the wake of Kashmir have changed the balance of power in the region. Remember how India tried to establish a new norm in May, that is launched Operation Chand Orient, failed, and then how Israel and America mistreated the Arabs in the Middle East. We can learn from this. Read Walter Walker's argument in today's context, and the atmosphere of danger is clear. This is the same chain that can transmit a political or military shock from one country to its neighbor. Where does Pakistan stand? A reading of this book warns, if major powers in the region or the regional environment see Pakistan alone or under pressure, then it can become the next domino. Not only terrestrial security, but also internal political stability may be at risk. The question is important: how smart are we in our policies and defense strategies? The next domino tells us that international politics is not a mere collection of accidents. It is a game of planning, interests, and temporal opportunities.
My question to today's viewers: is our country prepared for the possibility of becoming the next domino? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want, I will summarize the key chapters of this book in the next video. References will be provided in the video descriptions.